we are going to see the activity what is given in the textbook. We want to observe the 10 days forecasting of weather. In the new, it is said in the newspaper, don't wait for newspaper, just observe in the TV channel or the TV news, and in the end of the DD channel or other some private channels also they will say about the weather telecasting, and you can observe that one and note down what are the changes they are saying day by day. Then next one, we are getting the, if we are thinking about the sunlight, how much we are receiving, we are getting that one in 200 crores part of the sun's energy. If the sun is producing 200 crores of energy, in that we are getting only one part in the earth. Then we can see the some of the another information about the thermometer measure the temperature. When we are going to the hospital with a fever, then doctor will check with a thermometer, or daily weather also we can check with a thermometer. Then barometer, that is measuring the atmosphere pressure, how much pressure we are having in the atmosphere, that is we are looking with the help of barometer. Please note all these things, it may ask us one more question. Then rain gauge, measure the amount of the rainfall. Used to listen like that 200 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 3 centimeter like that, that is measuring with the help of rain gauge. Then wind vane, that shows the direction of the wind, in which direction the wind is coming from, north to from it is coming from north side to south, or north to eastward, like that, in which area which side the wind is moving, that we can understand with the help of wind vane. So 4 types of measurement it is given like that. This is very important: thermometer, barometer, rain gauge, and wind vane. These things don't think about only for 7th standard or 8th standard. It may you may get like these questions when we are appearing some of the exams for getting the selection in this government job and other things. Then standard unit, we are going to think about the temperature, how we are calculating the what is the standard unit when we are thinking about temperature. The standard unit of the measuring temperature is degree Celsius. It was invented by Andrew Celsius. On the Celsius scale, water freezes at 0 degree and boils at 100 degree. What is the thing what we are standard unit, that is the degree Celsius. Why we are saying like that? Celsius, the person who invented that one, Anders Celsius, that's why it is given name, it is given the Celsius scale. And when it is freeze, when it is reaching to 0 degree in the Celsius scale, that time water will freeze, and when it is reaching to 100 degree, that time water will boil. So we are moving to the next part of the lesson, that is air pressure. And you will be surprised to know that air above us presses with a great force on our bodies. When we are having the wind, the wind is very strong, then we can understand the force of the air. Otherwise we are not understanding, but it is forcing our body. However, we don't even feel it. Ordinary days, ordinary time, we won't get any feeling of that air pressure. This is because the air presses from all directions on our body exerts a counter pressure. Means we are from front side we are getting pressure, at the same time from back side also. So it is balancing our body, so we won't feel like that any pressure on our body. Then air pressure is defined as, please underline that one, air pressure is defined as the pressure exerts by the weight of air on earth's surface. How much weight? The weight of the air that is giving the pressure on earth, that is known as air pressure. Please underline that sentence. Air pressure is defined as the pressure exerted by the weight of air on earth's surface. Once again, what is air pressure? That may ask us one word question, or define air pressure. That both time you can write the same answer. as we go up the layers of atmosphere, the pressure falls rapidly. We studied about the different layers, means troposphere, like that it is reaching to the exosphere, and in the troposphere we are getting maximum, it is pressure is maximum, and when we are reaching to the top layer, that is the minimum pressure we are facing, because the we studied like that in the upper layers it is having only very lightweight gases, or this helium, like that things only we can see. So the pressure of that one, it will be very less. Then the air pressure is highest at sea level and decreases with the heights. When it is moving upside, if you are moving to the hilltops, we can understand. If you are going to the Uti or Kodaikanal, that area, when we are reaching to the hilltops, we can understand that air pressure, it is very less on that area. And some areas, if you are going to Himalaya, like that, we want to use oxygen cylinder, we should carry oxygen cylinder with us to get the breathing air. Then horizontally, the distribution of air pressure is influenced by the temperature of air at a given place. What is the temperature of this area? For example, Karur area or in our school ground. However, that if it is horizontally, if you are checking that the air pressure, it is getting the influence of the temperature. We studied about temperature in before lesson, and why this temperature and air pressure, it is getting the influence, because when the air is heating, at that time air will become lightweight and it will go up, and the cool air will come down. That's why temperature also influencing the air pressure. And low pressure is associated with cloudy skies and wet weather. In the rainy days or the cloudy days or even winter days, we can see the low pressure it is coming, because the low pressure, it is associated with cloudy skies and wet weather. Even though it is low pressure, we are facing even in the rainy season and cloudy days. In areas having low temperature, the air is cold and it is therefore heavy. Heavy air sinks and creates a high pressure on the area. What we have seen the winter season, or in the areas of near to the polar region, or in the Himalayan area, there we are seeing the low temperature, that we can see the, because of that low temperature, the air become cool one, and that cool air, it is becoming very heavy, and that it is coming down. The cool air will come down to earth, and it creating maximum pressure on earth. And high pressure is associated with clear and sunny skies. When we are getting high pressure, it is associated with clear and sunny skies, means the even it is low pressure area, low temperature area, then also we are earth is facing this air pressure. At the same time, high pressure area, it is associated with means the what is the condition of the sun or the heat temperature, according to that the pressure will increase or decrease. The air always moves from high pressure area to the low pressure area. From the high pressure area, it is means cool air, it is coming to the heated area. That is the process of please underline that sentence also. So we was discussing about the different types of machines what we are using to measure the different things, that temperature, then atmosphere pressure, then rain and wind, and all the four things what we are studying. Then do you know, here we can see, on the monsoon there is no air and hence no air pressure. In the moon there is no air, that's why it is not facing any air pressure. Astronauts have to wear special protective space suits filled with air when they go to the moon. Not only when they are going to the moon, if you are climbing the top of the mountains, that time also sometimes we need, especially when we are going to top of the Himalayan Everest, like that area, we want to carry our this air suits with us, which is giving the breathing air. Then If they did not wear these space suits, the counter pressure exerts by the body of the astronauts would make a blood vessel burst, because the pressure is coming from the body and it may cause the bursting of the blood vessels. If it is happening like that, we will die on the spot. The astronauts would bleed. It may be external or internal, and because of that bleeding, slowly we will die. And okay, we will continue in next video.